Hey there and welcome to this flip through video of days 1 through 10 of the 100-Day Project 2022, where I am creating on book covers. This is day 1. It's a collage, painted papers, a little bit of deli paper here added, and some doodled flowers. And I love this one because it's got the bits from the book cover still on it. And then this one is also a painted paper. I mostly work off of the book cover. I'm finding it's a little bit easier. And then I just adhere and collage onto the book covers. Another one here, more of an abstract shaped piece. This is day 3. And this small one here, this is day 4. Again, painted paper, and there's a little bit of collage on that one. And then this one is day 5. This is definitely a little bit more of collage, different papers collaged together, and then some marks made on it after. And I really love this one. This is painted paper again, a little bit of collage onto it, and then some marks made on it after. And then this one is kind of cool. It's a journal that's been made and adhered to the cover of the book. I have a tutorial on this, and I'll link to that. And then here's day 8, and this is kind of a watercolor pastel painted piece with more of a floral look. And then this was a little different for me because I don't often work with yellows, but I'm trying to stretch myself. And this is a small piece that's done with some collage as well, and a little bit of painting. And then here's day 10. And this one is also done with collage and some doodles and some other little marks made on it. So that is days 1 through 10 of the 100-Day Project 2022.